All right, so I tried to get it to work and I couldn't get it to work either. So what I would do at this point is do a workaround. So I have your file open here, and what I'm going to do is just override it. And it's, you really should have separate view templates for different views, but I'm going to make one view template with just a foreground override. And so I'm going to go to my view tab up here and just go to view templates and manage view templates. And I'm just going to duplicate a 3D one. Then I'll just name it foreground and click OK. And then I'm just going to remove the checks from everything but the model representation, because that's, the foreground is there. And that means that we just won't affect anything other than basically the color of it. So it shouldn't matter that we apply it to plans and sections and elevations. So if I go edit here, I'm just going to go and select all on, since we're just doing masses, I'll just go ahead and do all of them, and it will change all of them for every category. And then I think your pattern was shingle, and then we were overriding it to 128 for the foreground, and then your background was a crosshatch small, and the override was, I think, half of this, so 64, 0, and 64, right? And I'll click OK and click OK, and then I'm just going to save this by clicking OK and clicking OK, and now I'm going to apply it. So if I come in and just control click the blue ones, right? Oh, it's just being such a pain. So if I pick these guys and right click on them and apply view template, it goes to the plan ones, which the foreground is not in the plan ones. So I'm just going to come up here and go to all, and because I made it as a 3D one, and I'll scroll down and just grab foreground and click OK, and it'll override those. And then you can just come in and pick all of the other ones that you have, and I would do them kind of, maybe by category. So I'll do all the 3D at once and apply the same view template. So foreground, right? So now you should be getting those in the 3D views as well. Let's see. And it is actually doing it, but it looks like there's some confusion on how it's applying them. So this one seems to be applying it fine, but this one, if I isolate this, it looks like it's applying both to the same thing, almost like there's two of them in there, but I'm not sure if there is or not. So there's something funky going on there. I'd have to have your DWG files to see what's going on with that, but it's very interesting that it's applying both to the same. So let me go back and reset this guy, and let's double check on this. Yeah, it's doing the same thing. So that big one is actually applying both of them. Let's see what this section does. I haven't gotten to the sections yet. So let's apply the view template to that. I assume it's going to do the same thing. So yeah, so it looks like it's applying both of them. So there's some kind of confusion about when it was inserted. If you want to send me your DWGs, I can figure it out, but that would be my assessment of sort of what's going on. When it was inserted, it might have been inserted twice or something like that. But anyway, that's as good as I can get it.